When it comes to finding innovative solutions for fire protection, Total Fire Protection Asia should be your first port of call. We provide a comprehensive selection of fire safety services, such as installations of active and passive fire protection, fire audits, certified fire products, and inspection software. The prevention of fires is everyone's responsibility, and our company is committed to assisting you in minimizing the risk of damage caused by fires to your property and employees. We cover a wide range of industries, including hospitality, retail, food and beverage, manufacturing, public sectors, and more. We believe that it is important to both save lives and protect assets. We are able to assist you in establishing a secure working environment that is also in accordance with all of the most recent regulations. Investigate with us the various ways in which you can improve your fire protection. Visit totalfireprotectionasia.com or call us today.